Well, 14 is saying if EC $2.50 is equivalent to US $1, then EC $20 in US dollars is. Okay, so for this one, going to it, let me block off some stuff because I need to do some work in here. Block off like all of this. All right. So they are saying first and foremost that EC 250 is equivalent, which is to say, for every $1 you get $2.50 in EC dollars, right? So I'm going to write on that as an equation. So EC 250 is equal to US $1. Right, so that's the first step. Now, they said then not US, EC 20. So since they want us to find the US amount for the EC $20, the first thing I will do is find for one EC dollar. So like how much US will I get for one EC dollar? So all you have to do, looking at the equation, is think to yourself, what do you need to do with this number for it to become one? It's either between multiplication or division. You can't multiply because if you multiply, you will increase the number. So you have to divide. But what exactly are we dividing by? We will divide by the same number. Because in maths, any number divided by itself will give you 1. Just like 7 divided by 7 is 1. So if you want to reduce something to 1, you need to divide by the same thing. But remember, it's an equation we're dealing with. So if you divide by one side, you divide the one side by 250, just like when you transpose and that stuff, divide the other side by the same amount to keep the equalness and balance in your equation. So 250 to 250 would be reduced to EC $1, because we got 1, so it's $1 is equal to US $1. Some people would reduce this, but I'll leave that just so for now, because that will be a whole lot of drama, right? 1 over 250. Now, the next thing that I am going to do, so I found for 1. So now I need to find for 20 EC dollars, because that's what they're asking us for. They want the US amount for 20 EC. So now using the same equation, I will ask myself, what do I need to do with the EC figure for it to become 20? Well, multiply. That's the only thing. Multiply by 20 would change 1 to 20. So some people would do it right here. If you want, you can. So multiply by 20. And what you do on one side of an equation, do the same thing to keep the equalness in your equation. 1 by 20 will give you 20. So EC is now 20. The other part though, I need to work this out. The fraction over 1. 250. How many sets of 250s will we get in 20? So I know normally $5 is, if we divide $5 in half, we get $2 and 50 cents. There are four $5 that makes up 20. And if there are two 250s in each $5, so that's four twos are eight. I don't know if you all catch what I'm saying, right? It's just certain things in maths is just like normal life or common sense. So if I divide this by two, I'll get 250, right? So I'm trying to figure out how many sets of 250s I will get in 20. I will get eight. So if I take 250 and multiply by eight, I'll get back 20. So in other words, 250 divided by itself is 1. 20 divided by 250 is 8. Mhm. Right. So then um to get the answer that I need, it's going to be 1 8 is 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Right, 1 8 is 8. That's for the US part. Let me just make sure this is correct, right? Yeah, 1 8 is it, so that's supposed to be it. Let me just double check something. Make sure. Yeah, so the answer is actually B. So B is the answer. So it's always easiest to find for one and then work along those lines. Um, does anybody have any questions? We still have about 9 minutes. We may be able to do one or two more questions in that time frame that we have to